Just fish and
keep your comments coming on Facebook and Twitter, facebook.com/televisionjamaica.
Oh, look at that gravy.
Kevin, this is brown one.
Wow, that plate. Let me see that plate. Hold on. Awesome.
Yes, Kevin.
That's like a work of art, man. You know that. That you could take a picture of that plate and put it in a museum.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Look attractive.
Huh?
It is very attractive.
That plate is very attractive.
Everybody know who is before you?
Oh.
Oh, I can't know her name yet. Nick, come, you come see Nick?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, Nick time.
So, Mim, when you have like 30 people sitting down, you must be so busy.
Yeah.
You must be like the arms going all over the place. But they have to just sit and wait. Mim can only go as fast as Mim can go. Do you have another person here when it's busy?
Yes.
2 or 3?
3.
3, wow. And you just kind of make sure everything goes good.
Yeah.
Oh, so what's this special?
Sauce.
Is that Mim's secret sauce?
Yes.
Have you developed the recipe?
Yes, I do.
Long time ago?
Yes.
And it's secret.
Yes, it's secret.
Is it spicy?
Oh, yes. You never tasted it before?
No, you have scotch bonnet?
Hold on.
Sweet?
Sweet.
Wow, that's great. I'm not the expert. I know what's good though.
Auntie, Nick want I want chicken. So do that.
And I want, he got half curry goat, half chicken. I'll do half curry goat chicken as well. I'll do the same thing.
Do you want any yam in there?
The works.
Derval? Derval? Oh, you're talking. Bring it on as soon as I serve these guys. I hear it. Yes, as soon as I serve these guys. Yes,
Well,
Mr. Fraser.
you can serve.
Yes, but you can't get
You don't want to serve those guys first? We can wait.
No, I have to serve
You want us
people
to-
first, in order.
Oh, in order.
Yes.
You got to maintain, okay.
What do you want to do? Box or plate?
Plates.
Yam and pumpkin.
Anything you want to put on the plate is good for me.
Nick go have enough plate.
Hammer, see if Hammer wants a yam or anything. Did Hammer get food? Nick!
Yeah man, how are our chickens?
Oh, Hammer's got food? Is getting food? Okay. Because there was 3 and isn't, maybe Marcy's not
Marcy
eating?
says she.
Oh, okay.
She's already eat.
I didn't know if Hammer ate meat or not. I guess he does. Can I spy in your pot?
Wait.
Don't get me mad. Don't want to get me mad. That's the goat.
Yes.
That's a goat.
coding when he was born.
Nice. I forget to look to see what I'm doing because I'm too interested in looking at the food.
This case now hits even closer to home. Wednesday night, he got a call from Adult Protective Services to check on a woman in a vegetative state who had been living at Hacienda.
Yes?
It's a bit boring. What is it to the city and building? My life.
You see Ada?
In walking around.
Okay.
You cooked that you started that this morning? You started
in the afternoon.
So
Come Kevin, take up these two for me please.
So one for you and one for him, and then you go serve a chicken or one chicken number from here.
Yes. Your meal is gone.
thank you, Mim. You're awesome. You're the best.
Yes.
I'll say bye before I leave.
All right.